And we are very happy now to segue to our first research paper session titled Deposit Franchise Value and Market Power. Our moderator for this session is Elizabeth Lizzie Berger, Assistant Professor at the University of Houston. You will be hearing from our presenting authors shortly. I will also note that our session's community bank discussant is Bill Bickle, Chief Credit Officer and Chief Risk Officer at Stockman Bank of Montana in Miles City, Montana. So, with that, just a couple of quick housekeeping items. We're going to go from our academic moderator to our presenters to our community bank discussant, back to our academic moderator, and then we're going to open it up for Q&A. So once we reach that, Lizzie's going to moderate the Q&A. So just as a reminder, just touch that gray space. That should turn your mic from red to green. We've had a couple questions already on presentations and other things. Communitybanking.org, the website, is just a rich source of information. So you'll be able to download these papers. You'll be able to download presentations. You'll be able to see speech text and basically all of the visuals that you've seen in this year's conference will be accessible on that site. So no need to, unless you just love taking out your phone and taking pictures of screens, which is fine too, but you don't necessarily need to. So with that, I will turn this over to Lizzie. Thank you, Lizzie.
Okay, good morning, everyone. I'm Elizabeth Berger from the University of Houston, and I'll be moderating today's session. In this session, we're going to be learning about how banks manage their deposit business. So we will learn how they attract deposits, how they retain deposits, and then how they manage their branching networks in response to deposits. And then we will hear from Bill Bickle, who's the Chief Risk Officer of Stockman Bank of Montana, and he will provide a community banking interpretation or perspective on what we learn from these academic research papers. Then I will try to summarize these three papers into a storyline that I imagine to be how they all fit together. And then we'll turn it over to you to ask questions and enrich our knowledge of what we have done. So with that, let's hear from Rajesh on the decline of branch banking.